Okay, Judy, this is for you. I am going to attempt to use this one-step hairdryer brush to beautify myself and this lovely hair. So according to the instructions, I'm going to look something like this after I've used it. So we're actually going to test this out and see how easy it is to use. So Judy said it does dry your hair pretty quickly, so I'm going to maybe start out on low, and let's just see what happens here. I don't even really feel anything coming out, air-wise. Of course, I did not read the instruction book first, so who knows how this is going to come out. The handle's kind of big, it's a little awkward to use. Got to be pretty boring, so I may have to stop this and just kind of resume toward the end. I'm going to kick it up a notch. That's interesting. It sounds different than the low. Kind of weird, but it feels warmer, so maybe that's the kind of giving my arms a workout. Maybe the two-hand technique is best. This is what the unrich and unfamous have to do. They have to do their own hair. They don't have their own stylist at their disposal to come in and do hair and makeup, so we're kind of stuck fending for ourselves here. It is drying my hair pretty quickly, but that's not saying too much because my hair is pretty thin, so it doesn't usually take too long. Funny thing is, I had a dream last night about using this, and I don't know why I dreamed that, but Pat and I were getting ready to go somewhere, and I had to be ready quickly. So I remembered that I had this, and I said, oh great, I'll use that and I'll be ready in a jiffy. And then later in my dream, I reached back to the back of my head and it was completely wet. So I don't know why I dreamed that. Anxiety maybe about using this, which why would I be anxious about that? I wish I had the skills of my stylist, because she seems to make it look so easy when she's drawing my hair and just twirling the brush, and my arms hurt. So my hair is almost completely dry. It's got a lot of static in it. Turn it back on. See, that's low, and that sounds much. I don't get it. It's much faster than it. Okay, well, turned it off, and so now you can see the final product. It's not bad. It's a lot of work. It's a lot more work than I thought. I think maybe because it's just heavier than the hair dryer that I've been using, and the brush that I've been using is pretty lightweight. So maybe it just takes some getting used to, and I have weak arms too. So anyway, alrighty, Judy, there you go. What you think?